Pop-Tart. Alright. Hey guys, so got this knife. It's pretty cool. Just figured I'd show it off. It's a Gerber. It's the Gerber Fit, actually. It's got a pretty sweet aluminum finish on the sides here. Looks pretty glossy on the camera. It's not quite that glossy, but feels really good in your hand. Nice and smooth. Anodized. It's orange, obviously. Yippee. So, just figured I'd show this off if anybody wants to get a good look at all the features. So we'll just start pulling all the stuff out. So yeah, you've got a knife. Big surprise. You have to unlock it to put it back down. Screwdriver. Reversible. It's got a hex drive, so that's pretty sweet. Bottle opener here. I really like these scissors. It's a nice design. Be careful when you put them back. So, what else do we have? Got tweezers. Fit in there nice and snug. I know sometimes with the Swiss Army knife, depending on which one, sometimes they the tweezers will get kind of loose and fall out. And then we got this switch back here. This is what it does. So you've got two more tools. Got a very small Phillips head screwdriver. And this, I'm never sure what these are. That's a really tiny flathead, or maybe it's an awl, the spike, I don't know. But I've seen them before, never quite sure what those are used for. I guess whatever the heck you want. And one more thing, it's got a flashlight, which is pretty cool. It's very bright. It's an LED flashlight, of course. Battery goes in here. It's a AAA, and it's pretty darn effective. I don't know what else to say about it other than it is bright. So that's it. This is a Gerber Fit. Nice pocket knife. A little bit bigger than maybe your average Swiss Army knife. I really like the way the aluminum case is attached with these star screws. I have had a Swiss Army knife where the plastic sides came off, and really sort of made it uncomfortable to put in your pocket after that happens. But I don't think the sides are going to come off on this. Just show you the box that it comes in. Nothing special. This has a list of the tools on it. And I guess that's it. I'll go back to eating my Pop-Tart.